the Temple of Artemis. The Temple of Artemis at Ephesus was an ancient Greek temple dedicated to the goddess Artemis, located in the city of Ephesus, which is now modern-day Selçuk, İzmir, Turkey. The temple was one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and it was considered one of the most important religious sites in the Mediterranean. The temple was originally built in the 6th century BC, but it was destroyed by a fire in 550 BC. The temple was rebuilt on a grander scale and completed in the 4th century BC, but it was destroyed again in 262 AD by a Gothic raid and never rebuilt since then. The temple was 129 meters long and 68 meters wide. It was a rectangular building with a peristyle of 127 Ionic columns. Each one is 18 meters tall and 1.2 meters in diameter. The interior of the temple housed a large statue of Artemis, which was said to have been made of gold and ivory. This statue was 7 meters tall, and it was a magnificent building that was a testament to the skill and artistry of the ancient Greeks. It was also a powerful symbol of the goddess Artemis and her importance to the people of Ephesus. The Temple of Artemis was a major pilgrimage site for people from all over the Mediterranean. It was also a center of commerce and trade. The ruins of the Temple of Artemis are still visible today, and they are still a popular tourist destination. The site is a World Heritage Site, and it is one of the most important archaeological sites in Turkey.